In this video, we are going to unlock the secrets of drawing realistic blonde hair. Whether you are a beginner or you want to just improve your hair drawing skill, this video is going to be for you. So, hello everyone, welcome back to Praks Art Gallery. I am Praks and I do pencil, charcoal and color pencil drawing. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, I am drawing the outline of hair. So for outline drawing, I use generally H pencil. In case if you have HB pencil or F pencil, you can use that. Since I'm drawing hair, I am focusing much on the proportion of head and the hair, the volume of it, and not exactly putting a lot of attention to the accuracy of each and every hair strand. And I am giving a little bit shade to have in mind that when I'm actually shading, I'll get to know exactly where the darker value has to go, where my hair is lighter, so that it will not be missed out. As I'm done with the outline, I'm using 4H pencil to give a very lighter basic shade. The idea is to provide an illusion of hair so that it will give us more clarity exactly where the dark tone has to go, where the mid tone has to go. So base layer shading is very important, and just keep in mind, in case if you are using HB pencil which is darker than H, then do not apply a lot of pressure. Just keep it very light in your hand and shade it accordingly. Don't worry about the material details. All the details I have kept it in the description box, so you can check out over there. And if you're new to my channel and liking my content, give it a thumbs up and definitely do subscribe. It is really gonna motivate me a lot. So after doing the base layer shading and also with the little contrast shading with 2B pencil, I am here using Tombow Mono Zero eraser to give highlights. And this we will be repeating throughout the process, because this is how you will get a realistic hair in the drawing. Every time once the base layer shading is done, we need to highlight the areas which we have earlier marked as little darker with the darker shade pencil. Like here I am doing 2B pencil, and we need to go step by step, like first with the 4H pencil or HB pencil, then with the 2B pencil, then little higher as a 4B pencil. If you do it all together, then it will definitely not look a realistic hair. So here I am right now using 2B pencil, and post that I'll be using the higher grade pencils. One thing is very important when drawing blonde hair, especially the blonde hairs are light in shade, so they are on the lighter tone side, right, compared to any sort of black hair if you see, or any darker brown color hair if you see. So when you convert, let's say if you have two photos, one with the brown color hair and one with the blonde, which is the blonde color basically, and if you turn into a black and white mode, you will see the brown color will be little darker compared to the blonde one. So that's why whenever you are drawing blonde hair, just keep in mind that we need to give sharp highlights over there, and also whatever shading we are doing, we need to balance it accordingly so that it will look like more of a lighter shade and not the darker shade. Now I'm using the similar process for the lower bun area as well. So highlighting, first of all giving a base shade and also dividing the hair into multiple chunks so that shading can be done properly. Trust me, this is very easy follow through tutorial. You can easily look at this step by step and you can draw yourself, and the result is definitely gonna be awesome. So you can pause it in case if you think it is too fast. You can pause it, you can take your time and then start keep on drawing by taking the reference. And in case if you have any question, you can put that in the comment box. I will be happy to reply those. Due to my lighting setup, there was some glare, and now you can see on the next day when I am actually drawing it again without any top light, then you can see the actual result, and this is how the actual drawing looks like. I hope you have watched this video throughout and now you know how to shade a blonde hair. In case if you have any question, you can put in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for such amazing videos. And keep drawing. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, you can watch this one which is coming on your end screen. Take care. Bye-bye.